Papa Sammy here. I got my Hog Head Cheese. Look at it, big slab of it. The guy said 4 pounds. Looks like more than 4 pounds, but he said it was 4 pounds. Hog Head Cheese, oh, goes way, way back. It's under all kind of names. Souse, head cheese, uh, pork cheese, you name it, it's there. It's been around for centuries. Uh, it's not complicated to make. You get your hog head, you clean it real good, soak it in, put it in a pot, cover it with water, put a cup of salt in there, let it soak overnight. The salt kind of pulls the blood out of the meat. The old dry blood pulls it out and helps to get it ready to cook. Then you cook it. Takes a while to boil that head down. And the reason they do the head, you got a lot of meat on that head. You got the head, the neck, all that. A lot of meat. When you boil it, it makes its own, how would you say it, gel? It makes its own gel. And when you get through with it, it actually looks like this, look. Kind of limber, like jello. And it's really good, people. It is delicious. Now what I'm doing here is I'm getting it in packs. Because I'm fixing to freeze this. I'm going to put it in the freezer because it's just too much to eat at one time. And I do not want to lose it. So I got my little trusty sealer mill here. I put my hog head cheese in there. Tell it to seal it. And it's doing its job. Now it'll seal that and I can freeze it. And it will be good for months, literally months. Take it out, let it set out in the ice box overnight, a day or two, and it'll go back to its gel stage. And then it's just a matter of I think I put that in there wrong. I did. Let's try that. I think that'll work better. Oh yeah, it's working better now. Anyway, this sealer meal is a lifesaver. My hog head cheese. For Christmas Eve dinner yesterday, we had a lot of sweet potato casseroles left over and stuff like that. Ham. You stick it in these bags. This thing, all right, let me show you. See there? Sucked all the air out of it. That is perfectly sealed. Don't have to worry about that going bad. Now, I'm going to seal another right quick. And then I'm going to have to stop and get my bags ready for the rest of it. But hog head cheese, like I said, is an old Southern favorite. I reckon it boils back down to you don't waste anything. Back in the day, grandma would boil chicken feet and make chicken feet soup and don't lay it. When you boil those chicken feet, you get some good yellow gravy out of it, and it's really good.